Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily create a bulleted or number list in Word. So you've got some information you want to present in a neat and organized way. Using bulleted or number list is the way to go. Let me show you how simple it is. So first, open your Word document, then start typing the text you want in your list. Once you're ready to create the list, just highlight the text. So highlight the text. Now go to Home tab here, Home tab, and then you'll see icons for bullets and numberings. Click on the one you prefer. Bullets for a casual look or a numbers for a structured approach. So here's the bullet. You can click the drop down menu here and you can choose if you want um, circles or square or this one or this check. You can use that by clicking. So if you want a number list here, you can choose this one and then choose an option here in which suits best for your documents. And that's it. You now know how to effortlessly create bulleted or number list in Word. It's a simple but powerful tool for making your content easy to read and understand. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a bulleted or number list in Word. See you on my next video.